Hello everyone, my name is Sumit and I welcome all of you to bisptrainings.com. In this video, I will be going to tell you about the block plot chart or the candlestick chart in ClickView. So basically, why we can use this box plot chart or what's the use of this chart is. So let's suppose we have a share trend analysis. If you want to perform the share trend analysis on a particular share, so for that we can take the help of box plot chart. For example, if I'll show you one figure, so that's an Excel sheet. I have downloaded this share list of a particular share, and you can see there are various fields like we have date, year, open price, high price, low price, and close price. So that's on the daily basis for a particular month. So I have selected the data from 1 September till 9th October, and it's on a daily basis and whenever the stock markets open. And we have got the opening price of the share, the closing price, what is the highest price of that day, and what is the lowest price of that particular day. So I would like to perform the analysis on a monthly basis or on a daily basis by using the ClickView. So for this, I'm going to create a box plot chart in ClickView. So let's see how can we perform this, or how can a box plot chart can be created in ClickView. So for this, first of all, I create a new file and save it, and I'll just save it on my desktop as a box plot chart. Then the most important thing is we need to load the data file. So I click on edit a script, and in a new tab I'll just write main data, and within this main data I just load the data file, and the data file is already stored as a number 512289. So that's the number. So I'll just click on table files and look for that file. This will be in CSV format. As you can see here, this is in a .csv format, and open. Label will be embedded labels, and click on finish, save and reload. So the data gets loaded, and we need to add the list boxes. If you want to add a list boxes, we can add a list boxes yearly basis or on a close price or on a price or date, it depends. So I don't want to add any list box. I want to add a table box, so I right click on the sheet, click on table box, and in table box I start adding. First will be the date, year, then what is the open price, what's the close price, then high price and the low price in the sequence. Click on OK, and that's the table box. Now I would like to create a chart for the same. So for that, I right click on the blank sheet space and again new sheet object and click on chart, and this time I'll go with the combo chart. So click on combo chart and next. Here the dimension will be date. With respective to the date dimension, I would like to create the chart. So select date, next. The expression will be the expression. So I would like to create the in box chart or in the candle chart, we need to have the top label and the bottom label. So for this, first I create a top label. So I write if, and I write if open price is greater than close price, then it will display open price, else it will display close price. So expression is okay, and click on OK, and I write here top chart, or let's say leave it as it is. And simply you can see it's a bar chart. So I uncheck this bar chart and select the box plot chart. You can see as soon as I have selected the box plot chart, it has been turned into a box plot which have we have top label, which have the bottom, and we have the lines as well. These are the trend lines just to display the differences between them, the average. And to represent them in different color, like if the open price is greater than the close price, it will display in a black color, or in the white color, and if it is the close price is greater than the open price, it should display in the black color. So in order to do that, I select this background color, and in definition I specify that if open price is greater than close price, then RGB it will be in white color. So it will be 255.255.255, else it will be in black color. So for black color 0, 0, 0. Expression is okay. And we can simply click on finish as well right now. So I simply click on finish, and you can see the chart has been created, but it's showing nothing. It's displaying nothing. We don't have any plotting here. We can only see the dates. So in order to display the charts as well, to complete this, again I get to the property page, and when I expand it, you can see we have box plot top, box plot bottom, box plot middle, upper whisker and lower whisker. So this plot is divided into two whiskers, upper and lower whisker, and the top we have already defined with this expression. For bottom, I select bottom and again click on definition, and this time the definition will be if the open price is less than close price, then it will display open price, else it will display close price. And okay. So this is how we have set the box plot bottom. That's the expression for the same. Next we have box plot middle. So box plot middle will be the average of the high price plus low price divided by 2. So we need to find out the or evaluate the box plot middle, and in order to do that I select it, click on definition, and I define here I've calculated the average. So I find out the average of high price plus average of low price and divided by 2. So when I divided by 2, it will give us the box plot middle, or the middle body of this plot. Look at. Also, I want to find out the upper whisker and the lower whisker in this box plot chart. So I select the upper whisker, and the definition will be average of high price. So this will calculate the upper whisker of this box plot chart. And to calculate the lower whisker, I select box plot lower whisker, and I write average of low price. So this will calculate the lower whisker. Okay. So once we done with this, if I click on OK, you can see the chart has been created, but it is not readable. So to make it more readable, we'll do some amendments into it, we'll do some customizations into it. And what will be the customization? So again I right click on this chart and you click on presentation. So first of all I set the line width to 1 pt. Then on axis, as you can see here, it has been start from 0. So I uncheck this. I don't want it to be start from the 0. So I uncheck this 40, and when I uncheck it, you can see it has been start from the lowest value of this chart, and it will get to the highest value of the chart. And also if I want to display in continuous, so right now you can see we have in stagger labels. So I uncheck this stagger labels, and we remove this labels. And if I click on continuous, we can display it in continuous, in this like this, in continuous mode. And also the primary axis, the position is the 6, so I'll just set it to 30% to display. You can see it displayed in a little small. And when we click on numbers, move on to numbers, we have continuous x-axis, and I change this x-axis date to in mm. Apply. and you can see the dates are coming in proper format. So this chart looks good, and if we select for specific record, we can see the trend by using this box plot chart. So this is how we can create a box plot chart in QlikView. So I have used less data. If you want, you can download the more data, and there are various sites available to download the stock charts, stock data. So that's all in this video. If you have any queries, you can get back to us on www.bisptrainings.com. You can subscribe our YouTube channel for videos on YouTube. You can contact to us for a customized training on QlikView. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.